Hello scholars, this video is intended to give you more details on your All About Me Google Slides project. This is your first project. It's going to describe you, your family, and anything that you want your classmates, your brothers, and myself to know about you. You'll get a grade for how neat your project is, correct spelling and grammar, and then meeting all the requirements that are below. Your classmates and I will determine your grade. I will give you majority of your grade based on what you turn in. So I'll give you 3/4 of your grade. And then your brothers are also going to give you a separate grade once you present to the class. So requirements, and you may look at the rest independently, and please email me or send me a message on Focus if you have any more questions. You must have a title and conclusion slide. These slides do not count in the total for your requirement for your slides. You must have at least 18 slides. You may use more if you want. You should apply a template to your presentation. Choose one that you like. Use several different slide layouts throughout your presentation. Add personal photos to enhance your presentation. At least one baby photo or young photo required. If you need help downloading your images, you can send it to your email and then you can download it on your Chromebook and upload it that way. Add clip art to some slides, but not all of them. Be conservative with this because too much clip art may take away from your presentation and make it look bad. When creating a presentation, remember the rule of 7, no more than 7 lines of text per slide, and no more than 7 words on the line. Here are some ideas to include in your presentation. You may use items from this list and or use your own. You are not limited to this list below, but these are some ideas that you can put on your slides. About you, your name, your age, your birthday, the place you were born, information about your family, job if you have one, even if it's working with your dad on the weekend. So jobs that you have, pets you have, your hobbies, school subjects and activities, your personality, role models, your plans after high school, your favorite foods, your favorite things to do when you're not at school, your best friends' favorite music groups or singers, favorite songs, favorite movies, favorite actors or actresses, your favorite places to eat, favorite places or places that you have visited. That could be cities, states, or countries. Favorite sports, favorite colors, things you like about school, favorite subjects, things you don't quite like about school, things you do for fun or your hobbies, favorite quotes, books, mottos, mantras, favorite classes, and then don't worry about this last one. We are not starting any book clubs just yet. And this is how I'm going to grade you. You get a grade for how having a title and conclusion slide. You get a grade for having at least 18 slides, having a template design, having different slide layouts. Clip art is included. No more than 7 lines of text appeared on each slide. The presentation is neat in appearance. The presentation is easily read on the screen. Spelling is correct on the presentation. The grammar is correct in the presentation. And then presenter can be heard in the presentation. So you get a separate grade for presenting and then actually turning it in. So again, you're welcome to look at these requirements and how I'm going to grade you. If you're ready to start, you're welcome to open up Google Slides and begin working on your All About Me project. I hope that this message finds you well. If you have any other questions, please see me during your class time. Thank you and have an amazing day.